goodies are getting put on the giveaway truck. Today, we're installing all of the Cobb stuff.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Building a Bronco that's going to be given away to a stranger has been one of the most craziest experiences I've ever done. And I'm excited to continue that journey and add some Cobb products to the two-door Bronco. If you missed all the details about the Bronco giveaway, be sure to check out the website, buckleupoffroad.com. Plus, if you're interested in buying some of these parts, you can get it there as well. There are 3 Cobb products that are going on the giveaway truck. One of them is already on there, and that's the wheels. I'll go more into that in just a little bit. But today we are going to install an intercooler and an air intake. So first, let's learn about the Cobb front mount intercooler. This is a direct replacement upgrade, and options are available for the Bronco, Bronco Raptor, and Ranger Raptor, offered in both black and silver finishes and fully 50 state legal. This one is specifically for the 2021 and newer models. The intercooler dramatically improves cooling efficiency, helping deliver higher and more consistent power compared to the factory unit. Built from cast aluminum and TIG welded for strength and durability, it features a massive 53% increase in core volume and a 23% improvement in cooling efficiency over stock, making it a huge upgrade for hard driving in hot conditions. Cobb designed this intercooler in-house and focused on making airflow as smooth as possible. The shape of the end tanks and the outlet help air move evenly through the intercooler and into the throttle body, which reduces airflow disruption and helps the engine make better, more consistent power. Best of all, it installs with no cutting, trimming, or permanent modifications and mates perfectly to the OEM shutter shroud to funnel air just like the factory setup. Since the stock EcoBoost intercooler can quickly become heat-soaked and rob power, this Cobb front mount intercooler is one of the best performance upgrades you can make for your Bronco, Bronco Raptor, or Ranger Raptor. Now let's learn about the Cobb intake. The Cobb intake system is fully 50 state legal, meaning it's approved for use on emissions-controlled vehicles in all 50 states thanks to its CARB executive order number. So you can run this intake with confidence knowing it's legal, compliant, and designed specifically for the Ford Bronco 2.3 liter or 2.7 liter engine. What makes this intake really cool is that it gives you options. It comes with 2 interchangeable windows, a clear sealed window that's great for extreme off-roading or water crossings, and an open aluminum mesh window if you want more airflow, sound, and an aggressive look for on-road driving. Cobb's testing showed about a 9% airflow increase with the sealed window and up to a 21% increase with the open mesh option. It's custom molded to match the factory look, includes a high-performance Cobb air filter, installs in minutes, and lets you choose the setup that fits your driving style best. Let's learn a little bit more about the Cobb wheels that are on the two-door Bronco. The Cobb TR01 Adventure Series wheels are available in bolt patterns for the Bronco and the Bronco Raptor, with 3 color options to choose from: gunmetal, like that's on the two-door Bronco, bronze, or satin black. They also include a paint-matched center cap. These wheels are made using flow forming technology, which means they're lighter and stronger than typical factory cast wheels. The design is inspired by a classic 6-spoke look, but with a modern Cobb style that fits the Bronco perfectly. It's very important to note that the Bronco and Bronco Raptor have different bolt patterns, and you can get this wheel in both of those patterns. Just pay attention when you do order. Swapping out your factory wheels is one of the easiest ways to completely change the look of your Bronco. The TR01 wheels are 17 by 8.5 inches, weigh about 22 pounds, and have a -1 offset. They deliver a more aggressive stance with a clean and timeless look that I absolutely love. I'm really happy that the gunmetal wheels match perfectly with the grille. I love Cobb products. I have had their intake and intercooler on my original Buttercup 2.0 for a very long time, and I've had the wheels on the two-door Bronco ever since they came out. So I've had a really great long-standing relationship with Cobb, and I'm really excited to partner up with them for the giveaway build. Not only do they offer really great quality products, but their products are 50 state legal. So whoever wins this, if you happen to be in California, you're not going to have to worry about any emissions or anything like that. The Cobb products paired with a Ford Performance Tune, I think, are going to be a great partnership, and stay tuned because we will do a draggy video to show you those results very soon. We're getting closer to completing the build for the Bronco giveaway, which is really exciting. Next up, we're going to be adding some wheel spacers, a lift, flares, and other odds and ends. We're going to be doing some draggy hits. We got a whole bunch of stuff in store, so be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the content. And if you're interested in winning this Bronco, just shop at buckleupoffroad.com. It's that easy. If you don't need Bronco parts right now, we have a ton of merch available. But that's going to wrap this video up. Until next time, guys, buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up, Buttercup.